All right, everyone, give you one guess what this is right here. That's right, man, it is my garage. Let's check it out. Let's check out this beast. We got a 12-foot by 12-foot door for the RV, and we got one that's 8 feet high by 10 feet wide for the cars. Let's take a quick look down the side here. Look at that. Oh man, and check it. The SS, the 50, the Cruise, and we still have a little bit of room to spare. The GTO's right there, and now we got plenty of room for the RV. I would put the RV in here and show you everything that's going to fit, but we are about to take off on a little camping adventure, so I really don't want to have to bring it all the way around, put it in here just to show you, but trust me, it will fit. It's 30 feet long, the garage is 50 feet long, so the GTO is not 20 feet, so it will fit, no worries. Oh man, this has been quite the adventure. We've dealt with police, trespass warnings, everything else to get to this point, but it is here. I want to thank the crew that came out and built this thing. For the past 2 days they've been working on this garage. They've been rained on probably more than they had dry, sunny weather to deal with, but man, they never stopped. They kept working. They got this garage done for me. It's freaking awesome, man. We finally got it together. So here it is. This is gonna be my video for today. It's just gonna be the garage here. I'm gonna go ahead and roll the time lapse and show you this thing going from the ground up. Pretty interesting, a lot of work, a lot of pictures. It's gonna be kind of a long time lapse, but I didn't want to speed it up too much where you lose too much of the definition as to what's going on. So pretty interesting to watch this thing go from the ground up. I did run out of memory before they finished the roof and got the doors up, but hey, you know, I got about 90% of it, so let's roll the time lapse. Wow. Like I said earlier, a little bit different video. This is only the garage going up. Like I said, I'm about to roll out on a camping trip, so that way we can make some content for you to watch. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy the camping stuff. The wife's in it, and I know you guys always love her wisecracky kind of little rooskiness about her. She's flipping me off. Oh man, I wish I could turn the camera around. But yeah, we're about to go on a camping trip. Should be pretty lively between me, the Russian, and the German Shepherd. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the time lapse. Hopefully you're going to enjoy the upcoming videos. I wanted to get something out for you because we're going to be gone for about a week. So here you have it, man. The dream garage is built. The cars are in here. They're finally protected away from Mother Nature, away from all the UV light. That's one reason I have no window in the door right here, and I have no windows in the garage whatsoever because I want zero UV light coming through hitting these cars. So again, everyone, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Let's see if you have any closing words for this video?
No.
No, that's it. That's her epic.
A lot of tomatoes.
All right, we have tomatoes.
Yeah.
All right, everyone, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.